How RX-7 like them?
Billy.
Yo.
Victor.
What's up?
Swaggin'. Ballin'. All right, Billy got a new exhaust for the Z because he doesn't have one. Not at all. As you can see, there's nothing under there. Look at Billy cheating the system. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a cold start, a literal cold start E85, no exhaust.
After 2 weeks of sitting.
After 2 weeks of sitting, cold start. It's like 13 degrees outside, Kelvin, and and we're gonna see. We're gonna compare before and after. Go ahead, Billy. Yeah. Z. We got 3 Z's. We not sleeping though. No engines. What do you got, Billy?
We got a back half, axle back, exhaust.
Nice.
But not just any exhaust. The holy grail of Z32 exhaust.
Who makes it?
Specialty Z.
Specialty Z. Shout out.
Last one they had in stock.
In the world.
Probably.
Billy's the only one in the world that has this right now. In a box, anyway.
I was gonna get a knife, but we don't have time for that.
Alright, chop it up, Billy. What you doing?
Fuck this box.
Alright, look at this. Look at all that packing material. Jeez.
Oh my god, dude.
USPS, there's all your boxes right there.
The UPS. Did they send me the right one?
Oh, it's the oval. It's oval?
No, it's,
oh no, it's twin. What you do?
Circular.
Ooh.
Yes. Just like the old one, but 3 inch.
Oh.
Got muffler.
Oh look. Hey.
Oh, okay.
Gaskets and hardware. And then just some cat play material in here.
Precious. Look at that. Look at that.
There you go. These are defective.
What'd you say?
Manufacturer defect. Oh.
You're starting to sound like a Tesla owner, Mike. This is a defect.
Yeah.
I mean, most Teslas are. Have you seen their panel gaps? They're horrid. Beautiful. Only problem is my resonators go from 3 inch to 2.5, and then back up to a 3 inch.
get the perfect shot.
Yeah.
Billy's marveling at
A
this
little bit.
exhaust. Look at it. Comparatively, you know, considering there wasn't anything there before, but yeah, it looks good. Nice and shiny. Definitely gonna do something. Look at those tips. It's all spiral and stuff. Alright, first startup. The car is basically cold now, so first cold start on the Specialty Z exhaust. How you feeling, Billy?
Feeling like I can drive my car for more than 40 minutes at a time now.
Nice.
It's beautiful.
Sounds way better.
Crisp, it's clean, you get what you pay for.
Yes.
And bubble wrap.
Yes. High quality parts, high end parts, expensive goods are expensive. Seems like this was the right choice.
Absolutely.
I'm glad it worked out for you. You're one step closer to being the man.
Yes.
Congratulations.
T56 swap. Accepting donations.
Yeah, GoFundMe, GoFund Billy.
I don't have one of those.
Oh.
But if you want to just hit me up, that's cool too.
If you have a spare, you're not using it, it's not doing nothing in your shop, send it out here. Billy can use it in this thing. Don't you want to see him be great? Stop being a hater. Send Billy all the juice. Look at
I'm a
that.
hater though. It's okay to hate. I'm used to it.
Billy's used to it.
That's why I drive a Nissan, not a 2JZ Supra.
Dang, shots fired. Anyway, Billy got a new exhaust. Hope you like it. I like it. Everybody likes it. Billy's happy. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos when they come, because they do come, but just really weird. So, yeah, enjoy.